Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mubin here with another new lesson. Inshallah, in today's lesson we're going to be covering lesson number 20 of the Noorani Qaida. Okay, I just want to say a massive thank you to all the viewers and subscribers. Keep viewing, keep sharing and subscribing. The main purpose of the videos is to improve Quran and Tajweed recitation. Okay, so just before we get started, I'll explain roughly what today's lesson will be about. In today's lesson, we are going to be covering lesson number 20, which is the tashdid or the shaddah. Okay, this is the doubling of letters. So for example, over here, this is how it would look. Yeah, it's got the little symbol there. That's tashdid or shaddah. How you would pronounce it is over here. Look, ra ba zabar rab, ba zabar ba, rabb. So it's the doubling of letters. If you see that symbol, it's the doubling of the letter underneath. Okay? And here's a quick definition of it. It is a symbol of assimilation of two same letters into one letter. Okay? So there's two pronunciations of the same letter when you see the symbol here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start from here. We're going to end up to here. Just before I get started, I just want to say, if you guys are new to the video, please go to my channel Mubin Isa and subscribe. Inshallah, you guys will find it beneficial, releasing new videos all the time. We've got up to lesson number 20 so far, alhamdulillah. We've still got quite a few lessons left. So if you guys have missed any videos, go onto my channel and you can see a Noorani Qaida playlist and you can catch up through there, okay? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب رب را با زبر رب با زبر با رب إن ألف نون زير إن نون زبرنا إن ثم ثا ميم پیش ثم ميم زبر ما ثم. Okay, so these first three are examples of where you could use it and how it would look and how you would pronounce it, okay? So now we're going to have a few more examples and we're going to go cover each line 3 times each word, and then we'll move on until we get to the end of the lesson over here, inshallah, okay? عم عين ميم زبر عم ميم زبر ما عم ثم ثا ميم پیش ثم ميم زبر ما ثم من ميم نون زبر من نون زبرنا من مد ميم دال زبر مد دال زبده مد قل قاف لام زبر قل لام زبر لا قل حج حاجيم زبر حج جيم زبر جا حج أن ألف نون زبر أن نون زبرنا أن. Okay, so that's the first line. Hopefully you guys are getting used to how you pronounce the word when you see this symbol on top, okay? So it's the doubling of the letters when you see this symbol on top of the word, okay? So now we're going to move on to this second line here. If you focus over here, here we go. Tab تابا زبر تب با زبر با تب ظن ظن ظنون زبر ظن نون زبرنا ظن صب صب صاد با زبر صب با زبر با صب مم مم ميم ميم زير ميم ميم زبر ما مم مم أي أي ألف يا زبر أي يا زر أي أي شري شري شين را زبر شر را زر شري صلي صلي صاد لام زبر الصل لام زيدلي صلي صلي. Okay, now we're going to move on to this third line here. Okay, as you can see, obviously it's getting a little bit harder as you move a little bit down, but now we can see there's double the letters. So for example, double zabar, double pesh, yeah. So keep be mindful of that on this line here, yeah. حبا حبا حابا بيش حب با ألف دو زبر بن حبا حبا جما 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 جامي جيم ميم زبر جم ميم ألف دو زبر من جما دكا دكا دال كاف زبر دك كاف ألف دو زبر كن دكا شقا 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 شين قاف زبر شق قاف ألف دو زبر قن شقا صفا 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 صاد فا زبر الصف فا ألف دو زبر فن صفا حق حق حا قاف زبر حق قاف دو بيش قن حق حق حل 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 حالام زير حل لام دو بيشلون حل. Okay, so now we're going to move on to this last line here. أم ألف ميم بيش ميم دو بيش من أم كل كاف لام بيش كل لام دو بيش لن كل رب رب رابا زبر رب بادو بيش بن رب رب غم 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 غين ميم زبر غم ميم دو زير من غم غل 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 غين لام زير غل لام دو زير لن غل ظل 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 ظلام زير ظل لام دو زير ظل لام دو زير لن ظل ضر ضر ضاد راز بيش ضر را دو زر ضر ذر ذر. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. We're going to have a quick fire test where what we're going to do is I'm going to point out a few words and then we're going to try and pronounce it without spelling it, inshallah. Okay. عم من قل حج أن ظن مما أي شر صل حبا جما شقا صفا حق حل رب غم ظل صفا من حج قل. Okay, so just to recap, we covered lesson number 20 today, inshallah. What the meaning is, obviously we covered the shadda lesson. It is where there's two letters. Where there's a tashdid, there's basically two letters, two same letters into one letter. Basically, you have to pronounce it like that. So mim dal zaba mad, dal zabada mad. So here you have 3 examples. We covered those 3 examples. Rabb. So this is rabb. Rabba zaba rabb. Ba zaba ba rabb. That's how you pronounce it. And then we covered each up till the end of the lesson. We covered each word until we got to the end of the lesson. Inshallah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the lesson. Just want to say a massive thank you to all the subscribers. Keep viewing, inshallah. And hopefully you guys are finding the videos useful. Inshallah, make dua for me as well. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.